Living Power with Dan Hurd.
The third characteristic is that there is an uncanny ability to sense when somebody or something isn't what it appears to be and react harshly to dishonesty. A person who has the gift of prophecy really rails against dishonesty. Integrity is a big, important part for a person who has the gift of prophecy. And they demand it from people. They want people to have integrity. And dishonesty is something that needs to be sought out and fettered out and cut off. They do not like people who are dishonest. And they'll tell you. If somebody's being dishonest, they'll tell you. The fourth characteristic is a desire to reject those who offend so that justice will be done and others will be warned. They really want justice to be done, and they're outspoken about that. Fifth characteristic is there is an openness about their personal faults and failures and an honesty about themselves. They just, this is who I am, warts and all. I'm just going to be, I expect that kind of honesty and that transparency in your life, and here it is in my life too. And so they are open about their personal faults and failures and honest about themselves as well as others. Sometimes they're honest about other people, which sometimes gets them in trouble. But that's one of those characteristics. One time when Jesus started calling his disciples, this is told in Luke chapter 5, verse 8. He goes and he calls Peter, and look what Peter does. When Simon Peter saw this, he fell at Jesus' knees and said, "Go away from me, Lord, I am a sinful man." I mean, right away he knew who he was, and he wasn't playing games. God, you don't want me, man. I'm a sinful man. I'm not what you want to be one of your followers. I don't measure up. That's one of the characteristics of somebody who has the gift of prophecy.